Hi everyone, it's Chef Timmy James, and I am here today to start off a three-part series on one of my most favorite things to eat and cook with. It's garlic. Today, the first part of my series is going to be on different ways that you can buy garlic at your local grocery store. Now we have here, you can go into your grocery store in the produce aisle and buy a bulb of garlic. Now when you buy it this way, remember there are many different cloves within this bulb of garlic that need to be individually peeled. So if you have time to do that, this is actually the freshest way that you can buy garlic. Nowadays, grocery stores offer a lot of things that you can buy that are already packaged, pre-peeled for your convenience. Now, of course, you need to pay a little bit more for these items, but in many cases, it's worth it. In this case, I like to buy garlic to have on hand. I usually buy the organic, and they are already peeled cloves of garlic, already packaged in individually sized packages. All you would do is just snip off the end, pop all of these out. And if you notice on these, they do have little ends on them. And depending on how you're going to be using it, you might just want to cut those ends off if you want your dish to be visually appealing. If you're just going to puree it, or if you're going to just chop them all up, you can just leave them on. The next way that you can buy garlic is already chopped and in a jar. You can buy the jar with your garlic either in water or in olive oil, but either way, it is actually preserved a little bit with ascorbic acid, and that will extend the life of that. Many times you can buy a big, huge jar of garlic in this way, and just make sure you're gonna use it all. It's not gonna last forever. I usually just like buying the smaller jars, and that way I don't have any waste. In my essential seasonings video, I showed you that you can also buy garlic powder, and you know I love that too. There are some times when I do run out of garlic in other forms, and if I always have this, it lasts a long time, and I love it. Lastly, you can buy it dry, you can buy it minced. Some places actually sell it sliced, and it's dried, and when you cook with it, you'll have the more texture of your garlic in your food, and it's always something good to have on hand, and it does last a while. So that's my first introduction in my part one of my garlic series. And as always, I love your comments. So if you can really do me a favor, put comments in, anything that you'd like me to video, anything that you'd like to see what you thought about my videos below in YouTube, so that I can actually see what you'd like to see. But in the meantime, I am going to be loving to cook and cooking with love. And this is my cute little friend that I bought in California at the Garlic Rose restaurant. So shows you how much I love garlic. But I will see you soon for part 2 of my series on garlic. Thank you.